babe, have you checked on the kids in a while?
Wait.
Headed up to it right now.
He can
You
wait.
do some surveillance?
Go to the volleyball pits. That's where the girls are.
Okay, go to the volleyball pits and check on the kids, will you?
And all the cedar trees.
You got an eye on some kids? They doing
Yep,
okay
looks
over
like
there
we
at the
got
volleyball
a
court?
trickle.
Yeah? We got all the kids? Proof of life
I
confirmed?
ain't so sure we ain't got some extra kids over there.
Extra kids. I'm not interested in that.
That one belongs to me, I think.
Yeah, that one's ours for sure.
That little son of a bitch is trying to
throwing rocks
knock
at
my
your
drone.
drone.
That little
That
shit, he's
kid.
trying to knock my drone out of here.
Feral. That kid
Shithead.
Hey, Tommy, he's throwing
He's throwing
Back
sand
the
at
drone up before he crashes it.
There's a Cooper, there's a Cora, there's a Tom.
That's
What
funny.
kind of drone you got there, babe?
That's the old SkyRover X1.
Is that a 4K drone?
Yeah, it is a 4K
That's
drone.
pretty great. 26 feet up in the air. How
That-
high does it go?
3,000 feet.
3,000 feet? That's incredible. So you just hook your phone up to this controller and then you could just watch it from there?
Yep,
That's pretty neat.
RC controlled.
All right, I'm going to go back to my margarita. Thanks for checking on the kids.
Fair enough, look at him.
Oh, that is hilarious. He is wild, man.
That
That
little
kid is
bird.
wild. So this all just records to your phone right here? In
Yeah.
4K?
Does he know it's
It
you?
does. Yeah, he does. Look at it, he's
Look at that.
pissed.
Hi, he says. Don't get too close. We'll throw sand at you. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, look at that. The babysitter's back. And you can just put it down right there, huh? Right in the middle of the campground?
Actually landed.
Hey,
That's pretty great.
Over there. Here's the plate.
Look at that. Is that thing under 250 grams?
It definitely is.
I love it. SkyRover X1, you say?
Yep, horizontal and vertical video, 4K.
And with a gimbal stabilizer? This
Yeah,
thing's
just hit
legit.
that button and it flips back and forth.